how to set up a grid in Figma. To do this, we have to create a frame first, so we can go up here to the top left corner and we grab this frame tool, where you can press F on your keyboard. And now we can choose here on the right hand side what we want to design, whether it's going to be a full layout, a tablet layout, or a desktop. Let's go with a desktop for now. And here it is. So now if I want to create a grid, I have to look at the right hand side, and here where it says layout grid, I go all the way to the right and I want to click on this plus sign. Once I do that, my grid will appear. Now, how can I edit this? If I go back here and click on this grid icon where it says layout grid settings, it will bring me to this window. And now I can change the grid size. I can type in 50, for example, and enter. And this will change my grid size. I can also change the color if I want, and the opacity of the color. I can also change from grid to columns or rows. And I have the same options here, like count, color, and so on. But I can also change the type. They can be stretched, center, or bottom or top. Or I can also change the height and the margins, and also the size of the gutters, which are these white lines in between them. So that's it. That's how you set up a grid on Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.